In this video, I'd like to show you how to create a landing page for a dental clinic, and we're going to use SeedProd for this video. SeedProd is the best drag and drop WordPress website builder with over 1 million professionals who use it to create WordPress themes and page layouts. You can grab your copy over at seedprod.com or click the link in the description below. I'm going to be using the pro version for this video. Once you have an account set up, you can click on log in and get access to SeedProd and install it. If you need help installing it with that process, there's a link to a video in the description below. Once you're inside of WordPress and you have SeedProd installed, you'll see it on the left-hand side, and we can either build landing pages or a theme builder to build your full website if you like. In this video, I'm just going to do a landing page, and with SeedProd, you can make coming soon pages, maintenance mode pages, login pages, or 404 pages. I'm going to click on add a new landing page. In here, we can see all of the templates that come with SeedProd. You can make your own from scratch if you like by selecting the blank template. For this example, I'm going to use the wealth sales page. If you can't find it, you can come up to the top right here and search for it right here. So I'll search for wealth and hit enter and click on the check mark here to import this. You can give it a page name and click save and start editing the page. On the right hand side here, we can see the landing page that we imported, and now we just need to update it and convert it to apply to a dental clinic. So for example, instead of creating wealth, maybe we could give tips or advice on how to get perfect teeth or how to whiten your teeth, etc. At the top, we have a logo here. We can click on block settings, and on the left hand side, we can update this logo, or we could remove it completely if we don't want any kind of logo up here. So if I remove this, we get rid of this whole row. Here we have a background image with the section. So this is the purple section. We can select this and we have that image right here. So we can delete this one and replace it with our own, or you could just use a simple solid background color or a gradient. I could look for a stock image here and something in the dental field. So here I found a photo of a nice smile. For the background position, we want to make sure this fits right. So let's go to the bottom and click on custom position, and we have an XY position. We'll come back to that. For the attachment, let's just keep it fixed. For repeat, let's have no repeat. And for size, I want this to cover. Now we can use the coordinates here to change the positioning, just so we could maybe show that smile in the background. I think that looks good. Now, of course, this is dark text here, so we could change this text color by selecting it, and we can first update the text itself. You can use AI here if you need help with the actual text. You can click on Edit with AI, and then click on New Prompt. So create a catchy 3 to 4 words about getting perfect teeth, generate text, and insert this if you're happy with it. You can change the font size here if you want it bigger or smaller. It's up to you. And at the top under advanced color, we can change this to white if we like. Here I have a little bit of sales text here as well that we can update. And there we go. I just changed the size, the font size to be a little bit larger, and the text to white. And here we have the block settings here. And we could either use a button that links to maybe another page or a website, or if we want, maybe we could do an opt-in form for a email newsletter. So if we come down under advanced, we have opt-in form. We can drag and drop this right here. Let's go ahead and delete this button, and we'll use the opt-in form. So here we have the email, the name, and the opt-in confirmation. So we can hide some of these and just click the email if we prefer. And we have the size here. I'm going to go with a large. And you have the alignment, but this one's going full width right now. Underneath this, we have the submit button, so you can change the text. I'll change this to email me free dental tips. And here you have the width if you want to change this. And we have the font size and the background color. I'm going to change this button to a blue. And I'm going to come under advanced. And I'm going to come down to spacing. Right now we're on the desktop mode. You can also edit tablet and the mobile as well. On the right-hand side here for padding, I'm going to uncheck this and only affect the right side. And you can put in a number here to push this to the left side here. For me, I'm going to change this to about 375. And keep in mind that you can change this on different devices. For example, this won't work very well on tablet, so we could change this. I'll go with the full width here, so 0. And for mobile as well, that looks fine. Great, let's come down the page. Here's a section here about where it's appeared. If you want this or not, you can leave this. This is just a simple image. I'm going to delete this for this example. And here we have some more text here. We can come down the page and we can use edit with AI to update the text. Or we can simply write in our own text here for the header. Once you're done with your text, you can come down. We have an image here, which we can edit, of course, and we can delete this one and get a new one that applies to the dental field. Again, you can upload your own image. You can add one with AI. So let's go ahead and click here. And I'll put in a prompt for this image. Here we can see the image that was created. We can go ahead and insert this if we like it. So what I'm going to do with this image is down here, I'm just going to select a new row by hitting add row. I'm going to have a left side and a right side. I'm just going to take this and drag it up a little bit. And this image, I'm going to drag and bring it down into this left side. For the secret 1, 2, and 3, I'm just going to take these and drag it here one after another. You can see these getting put up here. And the last one right here. I'm going to delete this old row. And there you go. We changed the layout pretty easily. And now we can modify these so that they're larger. I'm going to ask AI to write a short sentence about a quick dental tip and to generate that text. And we'll insert this. I'm going to continue to do this for secret number 2 and number 3. Great. I'm just going to make the size of these just a little bit bigger, somewhere around there. I might make it a bit smaller just so that it is not going past the image here, just so it's evened out. Perfect. I think that looks good. Let's go with the block settings for the image. Last thing I just want to do with this is down here under image border radius. We can add maybe 25. And this will just round out the corners for us on all the sides. Down here, we have more secrets. I'm actually going to get rid of these. And I think I want to duplicate this block for the newsletter and bring this down. Let's get rid of that spacing so it goes all the way across and make sure that's the same on all of the devices here. Perfect. Let's scroll down the page. Here we have some testimonials. We can leave these in if you like. So see what people are saying. People just like you got amazing results. So this sounds fine to me. And then we have the testimonials themselves. You can click on each one and it's an image box with an image. So you can replace the image size. Here's the text here, as well as the name of the person. All right, perfect there. Once you're happy, again, you can come down to the next section. Stop wasting time and money. Yes, I want in. Let's go ahead and replace this again. Maybe with, again, the opt-in form here, since this landing page is here to collect some emails. Now, you don't want to overdo it. Maybe this is too much. We could move this one down further instead of putting it here. So I could bring it down maybe here. We'll put it underneath the headline and we'll get rid of this button. Let's update this text and I'll just make this font a little bit smaller right around here. And then lastly on the bottom, we have the copyright if you want to update this or remove it. I like clean landing pages. You could have your social media buttons here. So maybe I could just move these at the top. We'll get rid of this section here and I'll just simply move these to the middle or the left even. And then the bottom section, let's get rid of this. And there you go. Now for the email opt-in form, we have the options to connect this if you want to. So click on connect at the top and you can connect these email forms to your favorite third-party email marketing service. For example, if you want to use Constant Contact, just simply click on connect a new account and paste your API key in here that's provided by this service. And you can do that for any of these. Once it's connected, they will manage the emails that sign up through the landing page. Once you're happy, let's click on save and we can preview this. Great, we can see our header, we can see the different sections. Here's the AI images and the secrets that it created for us, the testimonials at the bottom, and then of course the email box to collect emails again with the social media buttons at the bottom. And before we end this, the last thing that we're gonna do, again, make sure that you have your page saved, but also the page isn't live yet. So we wanna click the down arrow here and make sure that it is published. And now we can see the live page. This is different than the preview. Nobody could see it before. Now we can see it live on the website. And now you can share your landing page URL that you set earlier. And there you go. That's how you can create a quick and easy landing page for a dental clinic to collect emails to promote your services. If you enjoyed this, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out these videos to learn more about SeedProd. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.